Mga kaibigan, we have to discuss as of now. It is because there is a lot of the, what do you call this, prohibitions of the law in our country. So there is a prohibit or the prohibitions of everything on this universe, especially here in the country, here in the Philippines, mga kaibigan. That may pinagbabawal, no? There is a prohibitions was banned by the government, especially itong PUGO, Philippine Offshore Gaming Operators or Operations. Kaibigan, it is recognized by the government that all the POGOs here in the country was banned by the government. It is because it is a gambling, no? It is a gambling in order to damage the life of the certain persons who are addictive of that kinds of the gambling here in the country. But you know that POGO was the one who lost the money was from another country. It is the considered as a foreigner of this country, so are to engagements of that kinds of the gambling in this life, and that to making their trouble this life, it is because of that gambling, because they do not understand, especially pag ganun ho ang mangyayari sa ating buhay, malululong ho tayo sa sugal. So magka-ariat-ariat po yung buhay natin, especially the family. Mauubos yung pera natin. They are expending the money and that gamblings for nothing. But we do not understand, mga kaibigan, that the people here in the country, especially for those the higher officials of this country and the politicians who are banning of that POGO here in the country, because that is a prohibitions. Why there is a PIGO, Philippine Inland Gaming Operations. So the one who lost the money is the Filipino. So we do not like for the POGO and the operations, but we have to be promoting a PIGO. So that's why, according to the Senate President Chis Escudero, they do not understand why the law, why created law to ban that POGO na nauubusan daw ng pera ay mga taga-ibang bansa. But we are going to allow it, that the POGO here in the country, here in the Philippines, that na nauubusan ng pera ay mga Pilipino. But there is a behind of it, mga kaibigan, na kung saan nasa likod po nito, siguro yung mga POGO operators rin, no, mga kaibigan. Hindi natin alam yun, no? But that is according, not according me, it is according to our Senate President, Chis Escudero. There is a video of the Senate President. So that's why wala na tayong matatanong dyan. For me, I do not like to question it, because there is a prohibitions and there is a law to provide it in order to prohibit not allowing for the POGO here in the country. But there is a law also allowing POGO here in the country to operate. Ganun lang.